Today is the first day na kami-kami lang ng mga bagets. Nalulungkot din sila. This morning si Lily umiiyak.
Daddy!
Look at this. Would you like to play around here in the park? I bet AA would love the mud. The Victorian house.
Daddy, I really want to go there now.
I know, Lily. Just give us a little bit more time and then everybody can come, okay?
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Not on. Good morning, babe. Can Mama get a kiss? No, a kiss naman lang. Love you. Good morning. Excuse my hair. Good morning, guys. So, today is the first day ng aming anak ko. Wait lang, anak. Mommy, get dressed first, okay? Ayan. So, kagigising lang nila. Medyo late yung gising today. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ang aga ko nagising. Nagising ako ng 6. Sumunod na nagising si Lily mga 7:10. Tapos AA nagising 8. So, which is very late sa amin, ano. Di ako sanay. But I think it has to do with Daddy not being here. So, parang lahat kami nag-a-adjust pa. Wait lang, anak. Anyway, let me just get dressed muna, anak. Please. So, bibihis lang muna ako. Nagwash ako ng hair. And, parang feeling ko, to start this day, kailangan, unang-unang kong gagawin is maligo. Dapat mag-walking kami, kaya nga lang late na nagising si AA. At ayoko naman siyang gisingin. I felt like kailangan niya talaga yung tulog niya. So, hinayaan ko lang muna siya. Anyway. Ayan, so today, yung unang araw naming mag-isa ng mga anak ko, yung kami lang. Kumbaga living alone na naman kami. Kaming tatlo lang. Wala ang daddy nila. Mga nagtatanong kung saan pala pupunta si daddy. Pupunta siya ng England. So, uuwi siya and he has parang merong work doon na pwede niyang gawin. At the same time, hahanap din siya ng iba pang work. On top of that work. And then, at the same time, job hunting din siya para doon sa talagang field niya na trabaho, which is sa oil. So, marami sa inyong nagtatanong na, Mami, saan po siya pupunta? So, ayan. Pupunta po siya ng England. So, malamang nandun siya. Mag-send daw siya sa atin ng clips every now and then. So, yung flight niya was from Manila to Dubai. And then, meron siyang waiting time doon na 9 hours. Nagpunta siya ng Dubai kagabi. And then, minute siya ng aming mabuting kaibigan na si Ems at saka si Pearl. Thank you so much for having Phil doon. So, nag-dinner sila doon. Tapos, umuwi sila sa bahay nila Ems to rest. Tapos, sinatid ulit siya nila Ems sa airport. And so, flight niya na from Dubai to Manchester kanina. Mga 6:30 yung last na message niya sa akin. Nagising ako. So, 10 minutes later. Tapos, hindi ko na siya nakaibutan na online. So, siguro alis na sila, nag-take off na. Ayun, darating siya doon, mamaya after parang 8 hours yung flight niya. So, susunduin daw siya ng kanyang mom. Naglitin yung chika ko kanina dahil dinidescribe niya yung mga nangyayari sa pinapanood niya. Nanonood sila ng Toy Story 3 ni Lily. Anyway, so, kahapon hindi na ako nag-vlog after namin may headed si Daddy. Kasi parang ang lungkot-lungkot ang bigat-bigat sa dibdib ko. And to be honest with you guys, akala ko talaga sanay na ako na umaalis siya. Hindi ko expect na magiging ganun yung damdamin naming lahat sa pag-alis ni Daddy. Of course, alam ko naman na magiging malungkot. Pero, not to the point na talagang grabe yung iyak ni Daddy. Pati ako din umiyak. Usually guys, hindi ako umiiyak pag naghahatid. Siguro sa 8 years namin na hatid sundo sa airport. Siguro once pa lang ako yung umiyak. Yung talaga nung pandemic, buntis ako noon. Tapos si Lily is talagang sobrang affected. Pero nung una ko narinig or nagpaalam sa akin si Daddy na kung pa pwede siyang umuwi sa UK kasi may work doon na in-offer sa kanya yung friend niya, ang sagot ko agad is yes. Parang un-expect niya nga daw or parang he was hoping na ang sagot ko was no, parang dito ka na lang kasi ganito ganyan. Kaya umuo ako agad is because alam ko na kailangan niya din ito. It's been 14 months na nandito lang siya sa bahay kasama namin. Tinutulungan naman niya ako sa business, so that's like almost the same as, you know, parang business owners din naman. Kumaga kami, itong business naman ito, hindi lang siya sa akin kundi sa amin dalawa. At that 14 months, parang nakikita ko unti-unti siyang nadadown. And I've never seen him like that before. A lot of you have noticed na nag-lose siya ng weight. And that's because parang feeling ko stress na stress siya. Meron siyang message sa akin before na na-frustrate siya para siya madi-depressed. Kasi he wanted more for his family. And I know that he's trying his best, you know? So, makita ko siya crying like that yesterday. That just breaks me. Ano? Ako naman guys, parang sanay naman ako ng mag-isa na ako yung nag-aasikaso sa mga bata. Sanay naman ako sa ganyan. At least on may work siya at magagawa niya yung gusto niyang gawin para sa family namin. Okay na ako doon. Yun lang talaga. Hindi ko lang expect na magiging ganun siya kalungkot. And pag uwi ko, ang bigat-bigat na ng puso ko, you know. At nakikita ko rin sa kids na nalulungkot din sila. This morning si Lily umiiyak. Kasi bigla niya daw na-miss yung daddy niya. What happened? Ito lang si Mama.
Because I'm sad.
You're sad?
That's why I don't want to tell you.
It's okay to be sad. It's okay. Anak, when you're sad, I want you to tell me so I know what's happening.
Daddy.
Because Daddy. I miss Daddy. Ako din halos may hinaawa din ako sa kanya, you know. And then si AA overslept. Ang tulog ni AA usually sa gabi is 10 hours. Tapos, una siya nagigising. Minsan nagigising siya 5, minsan nagigising siya 6. This time nagising siya parang 10 past 8 na or 8:10 na ng umaga. Which is so unusual. Kasi natulog siya kagabi ng 7. So 7 pa lang tulog na siya. Nagnap naman siya kahapon. So, you know, personally, ako pag malungkot, ganun din, I would just stay in bed or I'll sleep. So parang nafe-feel ko na feel din ng mga bata, you know? May nabasa pa akong comment na parang I'm wondering that too, kung bakit wala daw visa yung kids or were never registered the kids sa UK. The truth is they are registered. They have their British passports. Anytime na gusto sila pumunta doon, they can go kasi they have their passports. We just don't think it's the right decision to go there ngayon without a house there, without parang yung stable job pa sa husband ko. When we actually do that, kailangan meron na tayong bahay doon. Lahat naka-ready, naka-settle bago namin gawin yun. Hindi lang basta-basta, you know. Antay-antay lang tayo mga mi, ano. Lahat yan nasa ano namin, future plans. Parang ang baba-baba ng energy ko ngayon. Pag ganito mga time, parang gusto ko lang nakahiga lang, tapos nakakumot lang. Kaya lang, hindi natin pwedeng gawin yun dahil may mga bata tayo. Ano, kailangan natin silang asikasuhin. Lily? Anak? What do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast, anak? You want waffles? We got bananas.
Bananas?
Mm-hmm. Waffles, bananas, and peanut butter, you want? Yeah, but you have to make your waffles, huh?
What?
But you have to make your waffles. And then for dinner, or lunch, what do you want for lunch? You want soup and rice? You want it? What soup? Tinola? Sinigang?
No.
You want tinola? Tinola na naman kami mga ni. Pero para maging happy yung anak ko today.
Yeah.
We'll do that.
I like it being tall.
Yeah?
I like it being tall.
You like being tall? Sana all.
What?
Sana all tall.
What does that mean?
That means I wish I'm tall too. We'll make toast for AA na lang with peanut butter and then some eggs. Some bread. And then peanut butter and banana. For healthy breakfast nila. AA toast na lang. Sana ko. Isa lang yung nalagyan mo ng peanut butter kasi baka hindi niya kainin. Tagal-tagal na to siyang hindi nag-peanut butter sa AA. So baka manibago ulit. Is it good? So you want peanut butter on the other one as well? And banana as well?
I'll eat this one.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay for now.
More banana.
More?
More banana. More banana. More banana. More banana. Banana.
There. Careful, ha? Put that here. So you can hold it with two hands. Careful. And then for AA, meron siyang toast. Isa lang yung lalagyan ko ng peanut butter. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng bananas on the side. Sana naman magustuhan niya naman yung ano. So, what I like to do... Ayan, para mas madali niya palang kainin. Kesa gawin ko siyang sandwich, baka hindi niya magustuhan. Ito, may options siya. Ayan po. Hey, here! You have your own. Look. Wow, come on. Ay, nako. You have to tidy up first. Clean up. Clean up, please.
Penguin.
Kailangan talaga namin ito, guys. Lamesa. Oh, here, AA. Kailangan natin ng mesa. What is it?
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. Sit down lang. Do you want fork? Huh? You use your hand? Okay. Ayan, luto na yung ating tinola. Pe-prepare ko na yung para kay Ate Lily. So, kay Ate, gusto niya ng nakahiwalay yung rice at saka yung sabaw. So, sa ganito natin ilalagay. So, favorite part niya is yung leg. Tapos, maraming sayote. Ito yung kay Ate. Nahihirapan ako nang wala kaming mesa. Si Lily, may mesa doon yung sa aking office table and chair. Pero kay AA kasi, mahilig siyang magtakbo-takbo. Diba? Kung may ano kami, kung may mesa at upuan, babantayan ko silang nakaupo lang. Ayan. Mamash ko yung kanyang sayote para mamix sa kanin. Ito naman yung 4AA. Pakainin na natin sila. So, good afternoon. Grabe. Wala kasi ako sa mood lumabas today plus medyo makulimlim sa labas. Anyway, luluto ako ng merienda namin. Corned beef. Ayan. Ayoko nung masabaw-sabaw. Gusto ko to dry na dry. Tapos, mag-scramble ako ng egg. Ihahalo ko na siya. And then, ipapalaman namin ng kids para sa merienda. And for dinner, meron pa matitirang tinola. Yan natin yung eggs. Masarap sana ito sa pandesal. Kaya lang hindi kami lumabas kanina, diba? So, hindi kami nakabili ng pandesal. Sarap ito, may mayo. Japanese mayo.
What can we get back home? Get us through your vinyl noggin, Woody. Andy doesn't want us.
Ayan guys, andun na sa England si Daddy. Nawala tuloy yung antok ko. Nag-send siya sa akin ng clips.
Filming for Lily, yeah? Lily's dying to come here.
How I feel though, especially going with your nice.
Dying to come out.
Yes, it's raining.
Weird to para sa inyo. Bakit napakita yung daan? Pero si Lily kasi guys, sobrang curious na curious siya how England looks. Nakita niya lang sa pictures. I've been there. Siya yung si Lily hindi pa. You know, mostly itong pag-film na to is for Lily. Pero sabi rin naman ni Daddy, pwede ko daw ilagay sa vlogs if I want to. Hi! KK. Wait muna. Wait, Mom. Mami, mo sit down. Ano ba yan? Little monkey. So, sabi ni Daddy, ilagay ko ito sa vlog kung gusto ko. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. Pero nakakatuwa kasi pa-vlog na siya. Gusto daw niya mag-gym and mag-walking. So, support natin siya. Maaga pa doon ngayon, paggabi na sa atin. 7 to 8 hours difference ata yung oras. So, good luck sa aming relasyon. LDR na naman kami. Daddy mo!
Lily, look at this. Would you like to play around here in the park? I bet AA would love the mud.
Yes, I want to play there.
Then we got an old Victorian house. Before it had no gates on it. You could just walk in it and walk around it, but I think at one point it caught on fire.
Daddy, am I allowed to jump in muddy puddles like Peppa Pig and also AA? That is George.
You can jump in as many muddy puddles as you like when you're here.
Daddy, I really want to go there now.
I know, Lily. Just give it a little bit more time and then everybody can come, okay?
Good evening guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo. It's now, namamagay yung mata ko. It's 9:30 na. Tutulog na ako in a bit. Namamagay yung mga mata ko. Sorry. So I had a tough few hours, pero I think okay na ako. Just gonna get some sleep and chika tayo again tomorrow mga mi. Salamat sa panonood. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.